Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok Q&A feature. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is just open up your TikTok app. And then once your TikTok is open, you're going to go to your profile by hitting me in the bottom right. And then once your profile is open, you're going to hit the three dots in the top right. And this will take you into your settings. And then once you're in settings, you're going to click on Manage Account. And then once you're in Manage Account, you're going to click on Switch to Pro Account. And then once you're on this screen, it's going to say select an account type, and you're going to click on Creator. And then you're going to click the category for your account, then hit Next, and then you'll pick your gender, hit Next. And then there you go, it'll say welcome to your creator account. So we'll just X out of that. And then now in our settings and privacy, we have this button here that says Creator Tools. So we'll click on that, and then we'll click on Q&A. And then we'll have this button on the bottom here that says turn on Q&A. So we'll click on that. And now if we go back to our profile, we can see right here that there is a Q&A button, which will allow people to ask us questions on our profile. Anyone that follows us can click the button to ask us a question. And then when someone asks you a question using the Q&A feature, it'll show up in your inbox and it'll look like this. So I just got a Q&A right here. I can click that. And then you'll have an answer button with the video, and you can click that. And then you can record a TikTok answering the question, and obviously the Q&A text will be on the screen right there. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. If you guys have any tutorial topics you'd like us to cover in the future on the channel, you guys can leave those suggestions in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, of course, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.